Ethan, I gotta wash your face. Where you going? Ethan, I have to wash. Come here. Now come on. We're not gonna hide behind the chair again. You have got syrup all over you, mister. You've got syrup. Oh, look at that face. What do you get on your face?
Joycey.
Daddy.
You got... Okay. We're gonna need help, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Our ceiling is dripping. Wonderful ceiling. Can you see the drip? Where is it? Alright. Oh, there it goes.
You gotta wash your hands.
Oh, you want to play in the water, don't you?
Mama.
Can I wash your face? Hey, you.
Hello.
You gotta get the incoming. You are trapped. Here comes the washcloth monster. Oh! Oh, how bad was that? Oh. We need Daddy's help.
What are you doing? You don't want to get a washcloth on your face?
And wash your hands.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, what are you doing?
Come here.
Can you tell everybody that you was a good boy last night? You slept all night without the B-A-B-Y.
Big A. Yeah. You got syrup on your fingers? Okay, I think you're clean.
Alrighty. We're gonna say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Say I love you. Is that a ball?
Bye.
Okay.